Hey, if you want to input SIM card into your Realme Note 50, first of all, you have to prepare this SIM tool. You can actually find it in your box. And then on your smartphone, you can find the SIM slot on the left upper corner. So you have to input this SIM tool inside this hole. Then, when it is inside, you have to just gently press on it. And as you can see now, it actually pops up. So remove the SIM tool, grab the SIM slot with your fingernails, for example, and try to gently take it off. There we go. Now we can actually input this SIM card into first or second slot in this position. So just like this. Now when you input it correctly, it's actually completely flat. It shouldn't actually go above the surface of the SIM slot. So now we can just put it inside like this. If it doesn't go inside, try to move it left, right, and then gently just press on it. There we go. Now when it is inside, it's also completely flat, and as you can see now, I have to input this PIN code into my SIM card, so it means that we actually successfully inputted the SIM card. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.